Okay, new location. Over here in Sharonville, next to the Newcastle. There's nothing going on in Glendale. We came down here on the Newcastle. This is where they run southbound. This is part of the directional running arrangement. So when they take the curve in Hamilton, head down to Newcastle, this is where they're coming. We're about, I don't know, I want to say 10 miles, 12 miles from Hamilton down here. And Glendale would be over to the left here about a mile and a half. This is probably going to do it for the day because there's nothing going on in the Queens Gate yard. And there's a good chance I won't have a video out for Sunday because I have to go to a 4-hour ride Saturday morning. I had a family member pass away down in Tennessee. I got to attend the funeral, so there's a real good chance I will not have a video Sunday. It's going to be really late. I don't think I'm going to have enough trains to make 2 videos here. That's life. That crossing up there, that's Sharon Road. That's the same road that crosses the tracks in Glendale. Now the main thing is hopefully this train rolls on through because I have had them stop here many times. The way I go to go home and come over the hill and there's a train sitting there waiting to get in the yard. Comes the end already. Surprise. A little short today for this one. Yeah, I brought Jawtooth and SD70H over here with me, so we'll have to run back over to Glendale and get them back to their vehicles, but yeah, a different spot. There's the big grain elevator over there. They have a siding that goes in there and they load up cars. And the Ford plant is over that way, but anyway, that may do it for the day. We're going to go back over to Glendale and see if something happens, but if not, well, have a great day and we'll catch you on the next one. Okay, here we go. We got NS 262 coming right now. Intermodal. Saw this one leave the yard earlier. Southbounds have been today. Haven't had a single southbound come through here. So I think something's got to come south. Up here, he's watching the train today. Well, he just got here. Pepto-Bismol Express. Slowing down. Leia over there, she's a rail fan. She comes up here about once a month, stays with her grandma and grandpa. Nice for the train after this. It's been so slow here today. The yard didn't look real busy. I guess it's just the holiday season. Nice to get one more though. morning. I'm going to hang around a little bit longer. Hopefully I can get one more, but if not, well, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll get you on the next one. All right, here we go. Looks like we got a mixed manifest coming here. Can't really tell you what it is. Thinking it's CSX, but it's hard to tell through the headlights. Yep, CSX. We've got a long one on our hands here.
Milepost 13.5, track 61, no defect, repeat, no defect, total axle 664. Detector out.
About 163 cars, 2 locomotives. This morning we had 160 cars and 1 locomotive, so pretty crazy. That was. All right, that was a good one. And that's probably going to do it for me for today, unless lunar light pops on. I'll hang around. If not, I'm going to get out of here. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you don't mind, like, comment, subscribe, share. And the ads pay the bills. Going to help me out with some gas. Watch a couple commercials. I really appreciate it. And with that, I'll let you go, and we'll catch you on the next one. All right, here we go. This is going to be it for me for today. And all I see on this guy is ditch lights. I don't see a headlight yet. So I'm not sure what we got here. Like Norfolk Southern.
Track main 1, no defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axles 466. Detector out.
Wow, 115 cars, one locomotive. Empty piggyback cars. Well, that's going to do it for me. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you on the next one. It's time to go home. Hope you have a great day.